Here's the exact prompt I used to create this cinematic World Cup style video. The prompt is important because it tells the AI the full direction of the story, the setting, the camera movement, the characters, the emotion, the action, and how the final scene should feel. For this video, I used well-known soccer player names as inspiration to make the story feel bigger, more exciting, and more recognizable to the viewer. This helps the AI understand the type of characters, teams, and energy I want in the scene. The main idea is simple. A 16-year-old kid is living his dream on the biggest stage, with the game on the line. He has to outplay every defender, score the final goal, and lift the World Cup trophy with his team. Below this video, I'll be adding the full prompt and a step-by-step guide so you can follow the same process and create your own cinematic sports commercial using Seedance 2.0. Now ChatGPT has created our full setup for us. It gave us the main story concept, the main kid character image prompt, all of the player character image prompts, the full 15-second storyboard, and the complete Seedance 2.0 video prompt. So the next step is to create the image of our main character first. What I'm going to do is copy the main character image prompt, then paste it into ChatGPT. Make sure you use the Create tool so ChatGPT knows you want to generate an image. Once the prompt is pasted in, just click Generate. This will give us the main hero image that we'll use as one of our key references for the rest of the project. I used the same process to create the player images as well, but there's one important thing to know. Since GPT usually avoids generating very famous people directly, I had to use a different method for the players. What I did was take the Messi style photo image prompt and move over to Magnific AI, which is the website I use to generate a lot of my images. From there, I used the image generator tool with Nano Banana Pro to create the rest of the player images. I simply copied and pasted each player prompt one by one, then let the prompts generate each character. This gave me all the player reference images I needed for the full storyboard and the final video prompt. Now let's create our storyboard. Inside my Skool community, you can find the prompts, character references, product images, storyboard, and complete workflow used for this project. You'll also find more AI commercial prompts, cinematic workflows, tutorial videos, storyboards, prompt packs, and step-by-step lessons designed to help you create professional AI content. The link is in the description and pinned comment. To do that, I'm going to type Create Storyboard using GPT-2, and then I'll paste in the prompt so ChatGPT understands the full direction of the scenes I want to generate. Make sure you're using the Create tab, because that's what lets ChatGPT generate the storyboard as an image. Once the prompt is pasted in, click Generate, and your storyboard should be created. Now that we have the storyboard finished, the next step is to copy and paste our Seedance 2.0 video prompt into the Magnific AI video generator. When you do that, make sure you also upload the storyboard image into the prompt area, because that will help guide the video generation and keep the scenes aligned with the story we planned. Now that we've uploaded our storyboard and our main prompt, the next step is to upload our main character and all of the player reference images to complete the video direction. This step is very important because we want to give Seedance 2.0 as much visual direction as possible, so the story, the characters, and the final video all stay aligned with the vision we want. Once all of the character images are uploaded into the media reference section, we need to connect each image to the correct character inside the prompt. This part is actually very simple. Just click right after the character's name in the prompt, type the @ symbol, and then select the correct image reference. For example, if I want to attach the main character's image, I'll click right after his name in the prompt, type @ and choose his image reference. Then I'll repeat that same step for each player, making sure every character name is matched with the correct image. This helps Seedance understand exactly who each character is, so the final output stays much more consistent and visually accurate. Now that everything is ready, the last step is to check our video settings. Make sure the model is set to Seedance 2.0 video generator, then set the quality to 720p and set the duration to 15 seconds. Once everything looks good, hit Generate. Now Seedance will start creating the final video based on our storyboard, prompt, and character references. After the video is finished, you can download it, edit it if needed, and post it on any platform you want. And that's it for this tutorial. Don't overcomplicate the process. Just follow the steps, stay clear with your prompt, and keep practicing. You got this. I'll see you in the next one.